If you're unsure on how to cop the Jarritos Nike Dunk Low, you don't know how much the retail price is, you don't know what app to use to cop them, you don't know what time they drop, don't worry, we're going to go all over that information right now. So, first things first, they drop on May 10th. What time on May 10th? 7 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. How much do these shoes cost? They cost $130. What app do I use? Do I use the Nike app or the sneakers app? You use the sneakers app. Make sure you have that app updated. Make sure you go in the app. Make sure your address is correct. Make sure the card you have is already uploaded there. Make sure that when they drop at 7 a.m., you have a stable internet connection. Make sure you have your credit card, debit card with you because it is going to ask you for your CVV. Make sure you know your Nike sneakers password. It might seem like a lot, but trust me, just make sure you have that all down tonight and you'll be good to go tomorrow. If you have any questions about the drop, let me know in the comments below. Wishing you good luck and hopefully you'll be able to cop. See you in the next one. Have a beautiful, blessed, and lovely day. Peace.